Okay, so now we are on problem number 12. So we have u substitution again. Let u equal 3x. We substitute the u in for 3x. And then since the cotangent squared of u equals 3, tangent squared should be 1/3. Then we take the square root of both sides. Tangent of u equals plus or minus, and this is root 3 over 3 because when you rationalize the denominator, square root of 1 is just a 1. When you have a root 3 in the denominator and you rationalize, you multiply by a special 1. When you multiply across, this is 1 times root 3, that's root 3. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. So anytime I see 1 over the square root of 3, I just immediately change it to root 3 over 3. It's rationalized. And after you do it like 20 times, you won't even do this anymore. You'll just write root 3 over 3. So now it's plus or minus. So we go to the unit circle. We recognize that root 3 over 3, the tangent, that has to be the short angles. And so those angles have a denominator of 6. That's going to be pi over 6 plus pi k, and 5 pi over 6 plus pi k. Now, the next step is we're going to have, this is for u, we're not finished. We have to substitute the original, the 3x, back in for the u. So we do that. Now I'm going to have to divide through both of those equations by 3 to isolate the x. So when I do that, it's like this. So the solutions are, let me make sure I write these down right. X equals, this is going to be pi over 3 times 6, 18, plus pi over 3k. And this is x equals, this is 5 pi over 18 plus pi over 3k. Now, if we were asked to find the general form of the solutions, those two would be the answers right there. However, this problem is asking us to list out all the solutions. This is the reason why we did this problem. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to start with pi over 18, and I guess I'll list them right here. And we are going to have to add pi over 3 a whole bunch of times until we get to a number that's greater than 2 pi and then stop. So we're dealing in 18ths. So, how many, if this is pi over 3, how many 18ths is that?
6.
Pi over 3 is equal to how many 18ths?
6.
Okay, because 3 times 6 is 18 and pi times 6 is 6 pi. Okay, so we have to add 6 pi over 18. How many times? If I add 6 pi over 18 once, I get 7 pi over 18. Are we good? Still within 2 pi, right? 7 pi over 18 is less than 2 pi. What is 2 pi in 18ths?
36.
36, right? 36 pi over 18. Okay, so once we get to 36, we gotta stop. All right, so we're adding another 6, so that's 13, right? Another 6, that's 19. Tell me if I get any of these wrong. You guys are checking my work. 25, 31. If I add another 6, I'm gonna pass 36. So I have to stop at 31 pi over 18. Good? I know, no one likes to deal with fractions. And this is the hardest type of problem. So of course, that's why I picked it. So now we've got 5 pi over 18. I'm going to the next one over here. And I'm going to keep adding 6 pi over 18. Again, so that's 11. And then I've got 17. And I've got 23. And you guys are checking these. 29. And 35. These are all the solutions on that interval. Yeah.